Hello friends, this week there's something I want to try and I've been thinking about this for quite a long time now. So I've been trying to vlog every day and to pick up my phone, maybe I can just vlog something. But I always stop myself because there's nothing interesting to vlog about. This week I want to challenge myself to vlog every boring day of my life and see how it all goes. There's one vlog in which I posted looking for an internship. So today that's where I'm from, and yeah, it's been 2 days now and the experience has been so good. So that's where I'm from. I didn't vlog much of it, but yeah, that's where I'm coming from. So apart from that, the reason why I felt like challenging myself to start vlogging and see how I can vlog my boring days to become so good, or maybe to make them look nice, it's because most of the times I struggle. I don't know if I'm the only person who has this, but if there's anyone who's watching, let me know in the comment section if you have the same kind of a problem where you only think of vlogging when there's something interesting. But I feel like even in the days when things are not that interesting, but in the mundane things that we do, we can also make our vlogs interesting. And the thing that I have to do is just to finish editing the video that I'll be soon posting. Yeah, so I think that's what I'm going to do now. Then for the day I'll count it down. I can do any other things. This is what happened when I came back at home. I started watching some YouTube videos. Then there's just something interesting that I found when I was watching the videos. Sometimes as creators we struggle so much to find ideas, and sometimes we fail to be consistent because we don't have ideas, we don't have videos to post. But here's the thing, and here's the key thing that has just changed my view on how to be consistent, how to post your find new ideas. And the thing is that you shouldn't create content, but you should be the content. What does that tell? So it says that we shouldn't struggle or shouldn't fight for us as creators to find ideas, to struggle or to find anything that we can create, but we ourselves, our lives are already made as ideas. So the things that we do every day are ideas for our content that we can create. So before we end this vlog, there are just two things I'd like to share with you, the very important things that I've learned about this challenge. The first one is changing of perception. So as you vlog, take time to show a different kind of perception, the things that you're doing, give much more context of where you are, the things that you're going to do, and just let people figure out themselves on what you're doing. And the other thing is, don't tell but show. So if you have seen much of my vlog, I didn't talk a lot of things, but I filmed them, though I really needed to add more and to work on it. But it was just a simple challenge that I've done, and I've seen that if you can at least figure out whatever is happening in the video, it's better rather than telling them that I'm going to do this, the next thing that I'm going to do is that. I think it's much better to show than not to tell. I think we've seen all these things in the movies and how they do it. So if there's anything that you'd like to advise me and what you've learned as well, comment in the comment section. So for now, see you in the next video. Peace.